Hi, this is Heather Bayer, and in this section, we're talking about managing the operations of a rental business. And I'm covering all the systems you need to have in place to have your business really running smoothly. We call it running on rails because that means having a well-organized system that keeps your business on track. It's about being a multitasking genius and a master of efficiency, which I'm sure you are. But it reminds me of that image of a swan floating serenely on the surface of a calm lake, while underneath it's frantically paddling to keep up the momentum. And I'm sure you understand exactly what I'm saying with that. Think of it, you're managing a multitude of bookings, check-ins and check-outs, fielding calls from guests with entry issues, dealing with cleaners who fail to turn up and appliances that have broken down. All the while, you're responding to inquiries from new guests who have a bunch of questions. It can be really overwhelming. So we're going to go through all the elements of a streamlined system, from developing your standard operating procedures to keeping vendors up to your standards, managing inventory and supplies, handling emergencies, and last but not least, we'll explore the basic components of your tech stack. From booking platforms to automation tools, and all this so you can leverage technology to streamline your workflow. I wish I'd known all about this when I started out, but I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as I would if I was looking at it, if I was starting all over again. Enjoy.